There are layer, component, and resource panels on the left panel in Pixso Editor. The layer panel is divided into a page list and a layer list. Click the plus icon to add a new page. Click the folder icon to add a new folder. Click the fold icon to fold the page list. Each type of layer listed below is shown in different icons. Directly drag and drop the layers using your mouse to change the layer order. Hover over a layer and click on the lock or eye icon to lock or hide it. Click again to cancel the operation. In the component panel, all components of the current file are listed and can be reused by dragging them out. You can find the component by typing its name in the search field. You can switch to list or grid viewing mode by clicking the icon beside the search field. Click Libraries to open the Team Resource Library and the Update interface. In the Team Resource Library, you can publish the changes of the current file, view the missing resource library, and view the components of the added Team Resource Library. You can view the updated resources in the Update tab. Click Update below to update the component resources of the current file. Now get back to the editor. In the Resource panel, you will see your favorite Pixso community resources. Enter a keyword in the search field to find the related resource. Click Manage Resource Library to edit your favorite libraries, created libraries, or the featured resource libraries. In My Collection, move your mouse over the resource panel and you can choose whether to display the library on the resource panel by clicking the pin icon in the upper right corner.